Up next is Josh Sowell. Oh, that's Josh Sowell's car. That is Martin. Love to see this with Freight Factory. Can't remember. Is that 1504? Going off memory. Yes, it is. So Martin Castro's been involved with Ultra 4 and King of the Hammers for such a long time. He's co-drove for lots of people. I believe this is his first time behind the wheel as driver of record. So Martin Castro and Eric Villar, number 1504 out of Wilmer, California, with Socalx Motorsports and Freight Factory. In that Bomber chassis with that Jeff Ginter LS, Freight Factory, Socalx, Fox, Warren Racing, Milestar Tires, and KMC wheels. And in my notes, I do have it. This is his first time as driver of record. So not a rookie, but a rookie behind the wheel. Martin Castro with Freight Factory and Socalx. And let's just brag on Freight Factory for a while. They drag our mega merch across the U.S. and do it in style. So can't thank them enough. And they, let me do a little sponsor plug here that Josh hooked me up with. They haul 40,000 loads of Monster Energy every year. So if you're hauling an engine, a car, a van full of whatever, get a hold of Freight Factory, and they can haul whatever you need anywhere you need it. So Martin and Eric, both longtime members of the Ultra 4 family, out there having some fun. I hope I can find some.